In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads efficiently, guiding you through a tutorial perfect for 2025. Google Ads is an essential tool for any online business, allowing you to reach new customers and increase sales through targeted advertising. To begin, let's navigate to Google Ads' official website. Simply search for Google Ads in your browser and click on the official Google Ads site. This will bring you to a page marketing its services, but for existing users you'll want to find the sign in button, typically located at the top right of the screen, an easy way to access your account and dashboard. Next, once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads homepage, sometimes called the dashboard. This is your control center for creating new campaigns and monitoring existing ones. If you're new, you'll find your campaign section prominently displayed, guiding you toward managing or beginning a new campaign. The heart of Google Ads lies in the Campaigns tab. Once you're at the homepage, locate and click on Campaigns in the navigation menu. This section showcases all your active and past campaigns, their performance metrics, and offers options to edit or extend them. When you're ready to launch a new ad, the first step is to click on the Campaigns tab. It's conveniently positioned to grab your attention with options to view existing work or start afresh. Let's dive into starting a new campaign, which you initiate by selecting the New Campaign button. This action sets the stage for creating ads tailored to reach your target audience effectively. During this setup, you'll choose goals for your ads, such as directing traffic to your website, increasing sales, or generating leads. It's important to define your objectives clearly, as this will help Google tailor its reach and reporting appropriately. You will be prompted through a series of options to define where and how your ads will appear. This includes selecting networks, like search or display networks, setting your geographical target, which determines the locations where your ads will show, and importantly, budgeting your campaign. Define how much you're willing to spend per day, balancing between visibility and cost control. This critical decision impacts the frequency and span of your ads, so think carefully about your audience's behavior and tendencies. Also, you'll set up ad groups within each campaign. These ad groups contain specific ads and keywords related to a theme or product. Keywords drive who will see your ads, so selecting relevant and strategic terms is vital to capturing the right audience. Once you've completed these steps, review all the settings carefully. Have a second glance to ensure your goals and tracking metrics are all correctly aligned. Finally, hit save and launch your new campaign. It will go live according to the start dates and settings you chose, allowing you to monitor performance and tweak as needed for success. That's it. By following these instructions, you'll have your Google Ads campaigns up and running smoothly, ready to attract and convert potential customers.